Now be recorded.
Okay. Yeah. So today we are going to discuss about SAP S4 HANA basis. So with HANA DB. So please remember, the S4 HANA is different, HANA is different. Both are not same. SAP S4 HANA is a front-end application. HANA is a back-end database, front-end and back-end. So because most of the people, they confused. Most of the people, they are confusing. So what is S4 HANA? What is HANA? So S4 HANA is a front-end application. HANA is a back-end database. So we'll discuss SAP S4 HANA basis with HANA DB. So in our demonstration, we are going to discuss about the first point is what is SAP, and what is basis, and what is S4 HANA, so but first to ECC or ERP, what is ERP, and what is S4 HANA, and what is HANA. What is SAP HANA? What about the job market? So means job security. What about the job security? So after learning this course, what about the job security? Means so the technology is existing or not in coming years. So these are the points we are going to discuss in our today's session. So what is SAP? What is SAP basis? So if you take SAP, this is one of the technology, software technology, SAP. Same like Java, .NET, big data, Salesforce, and data science, R language, Python. So like this, SAP also one of the technology. So what is the special in SAP compared with other technologies? So what is the special in SAP? So because for suppose if you take my career, I have seen number of technologies are going, number of technologies are coming and going. So number of technologies. The technologies nowadays, for suppose if you take 5 years back, 6 years back, or 10 years back, some technologies are there in the market, but nowadays the technologies are not available. It means the technologies are not using the companies. But SAP, from long time we are using SAP technology. So what is the main advantage in SAP, and what is SAP basis? In SAP we have number of modules are there. Number of modules, so 200 modules are there. What is SAP basis? And what is ERP? That's application. ERP is application. And what is S4 HANA? And what is HANA? So compulsory we need to know about these two, the points. What is S4 HANA? What is HANA? And what about the job security? So okay, now so we can learn SAP S4 HANA basis with HANA DB. That is fine. Okay. After 5 years, SAP S4 HANA with the SAP S4 HANA basis with HANA DB is existing or not in the market. Why? Because for suppose so next month or After next month, you will get job in one of the MNC company. You got a opportunity as a basis consultant. So after 5 years or 6 years, you will get a 6 years experience on SAP S/4HANA basis with HANA DB. For suppose the technology is not available in the market after 6 years, what about your future? So again, you need to start your career with a zero onwards. So that is not good for our career, right? So because this is a competition world, so we should go forward. So, but we should not start again from zero onwards. So what about the job security? After 5 years or after 10 years, whether SAP S/4HANA basis with HANA DB is existing or not in the market. That is also we'll discuss in our today's session. So before going to start our demo session, myself, this is Surya. I'm having 10 plus years of experience, so nearly 12 years experience, 12 plus years of experience. So including my professional experience and teaching experience, I'm saying 12 plus years of experience. So I can teach SAP S/4HANA basis, SAP NetWeaver, SAP HANA DB, and SAP, the latest technology, BTP. So business technology platform, this is the latest one. So I have experience on these areas, SAP S/4HANA basis, SAP NetWeaver, HANA database, and BTP. So I can take online classes, classroom, online sessions, and corporate training also I'm taking. So my last corporate training done in HCL for Sri Lanka people. This is my career in SAP S/4HANA basis with HANA DB. So now we are going to discuss. So what is SAP? So already just now we discussed SAP is a technology. And that is also called as a company name. SAP is a technology, that is also called as a company name. Technology like Java, .NET, and R language, Python, data science. So like this is one of the technology, software technology. So SAP, here SAP stands for systems, applications, products for data processing. So for data processing, we are using systems, applications, and products. So means operating systems, SAP, applications, and SAP products we are going to use. SAP. So we should call as SAP. So we should not call as SAP. So because that's a company name, we should call as SAP only. Systems, applications and products for data processing. For data processing, we are going to use systems and SAP applications and SAP products. So that is SAP. So SAP company was started in 1972. Company was started in 1972. SAP company was started by 5 ex-employees of IBM people. SAP company headquarters is in Germany. So this is about SAP history. SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products. Simply SAP for data processing. The company was started in 1972. The company started by 5 ex-employees of IBM people. These 5 ex-employees of IBM people, before 1972, they worked on IBM mainframes. So I think nowadays also we have the technology, IBM mainframes is there. So these 5 ex-employees, they worked on IBM mainframes. So they quit from IBM company in 1972. They started their own company, that is SAP. So the main headquarters is in Germany only. So coming to our basis, what is basis? What is SAP basis? What is basis? The first point is SAP basis is one of the module in SAP. One of the module in SAP technology. Second point is basis stand for same like SAP. SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products. SAP basis stands for business application software integration system. Business application software integration system, BASIS. Business application software integration system. See here, software integration connections created by the basis consultant only. So what is the meaning of, exact meaning of integration? I will explain you. So this is about basis, business application software integration system. So SAP basis purely administration module. Purely admin module. So means we are not using any coding. So purely administration. As a SAP basis consultant, so we can integrate modules in our organization. For data sharing. So for data sharing purpose, as a basis consultant, we are integrate the modules. So one module to another module, we are going to integrate, but because of data sharing purpose. So what is data sharing? I will explain you. So this is our basis. Basis is one of the module in SAP, and basis stands for Business Application Software Integration System. It's a purely administration module. So purely administration. So we are not using any coding. So totally administration activities. So now we are going to discuss about ERP. What is ERP? So what is SAP? We discussed. And what is basis also? We discussed. What is ERP? So ERP stands for Enterprise Resources Planning. Enterprise Resources Planning. So ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. The second point is SAP ERP is a number one ERP application in the market. The third point is SAP ERP occupied 72% of the market share.